Hello everyone and welcome to our Russian classes. We learned a lot at our previous classes. Today we're going to read and translate and learn again. My name is Irina and let's get started. So we have a text, we're going to read it and we're going to translate it, and also let's put the accent, which is one of the most important and maybe most difficult things in the Russian language, as you never know where it is, but you saw these words before. That means that you can easily do it. All right, let's do it together. Добрый день. Добрый день. Okay, translation. Good evening. Добрый день. Я Ирина. Ирина. Okay. Я Ирина. Translation. I am Irina. Very well. Next one. Я из России. We took this one before. Я из России. Okay. Translation. I am from Russia. Good. Next one. Россия большая. Россия большая. Okay. Translation. Russia is big. Very well. Next one. Это. If O is not stressed, we pronounce it like A. Это моя, the same, мама. Это моя мама. Translation. This is my mother. Very well. Ольга. Here we go. Ольга. Это моя мама Ольга. Она тоже из России. Она тоже из России. You learned this word at our previous classes. What's that? Also, or too, right? She is from Russia too. Or she is also from Russia. Okay. Это мой папа. Он из Америки. Okay. Это мой папа. Он из Америки. All right. Это мой папа. Он из Америки. This is my father. He's from America. Very well. Okay, I will give you a minute to learn at this text. I would like you to take a sheet of paper and close this video and try to write down everything you remember from this text. Try to actually memorize this text and write it down in your copybook. This little task will help you to develop memory skills, which is very important. Sometimes you need to look at the words, memorize them, and give a speech or make a little composition. So, take your time and do it. Okay, very well. Thank you for watching this video. If you want private classes, you can always send me a personal email or find my social media. You also see my Skype right here. I can recommend you to take a course with alphabet and sounds pronunciation and also general Russian, where we speak it on the video. Alright, thank you very much. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!